Hello all, I'm Dr. Ravish. Dear students, let us discuss about construction quality and quality control. Before discussion, we should know the meaning of quality. What is the meaning of quality? Quality means the conformance to specifications, standards and conformance to requirements. Quality is fitness for use, and this quality refers to productivity, competitive cost, on-time delivery and the specification of the customer. The quality of the product is decided by customers' needs. How is going to decide? Of course, conformance to specifications, assured performance level, safety, effective packaging, on-time delivery, efficient technical service and caring for the customer feedback. And this quality is excellence in everything. And finally, we can say quality is what the customer says it is. Dear students, you may have doubt regards how you can measure the quality. To measure this quality, we can use some dimensions. Here in our construction management and construction quality system, we have around 8 various dimensions to measure the quality. There are number 1 performance, number 2 future, number 3 reliability, number 4 conformance, number 5 durability, number 6 serviceability, number 7 aesthetics, number 8 perceived quality. Performance. It is the main operating characteristics of a product. If you want to take an example, comfort in an automobile. What about features? Enhancement that's supplementing the product's basic functions. And the reliability, it is like a probability that a product will fail within a given period of time. And similarly, the extent to which the product's design and operate characteristics satisfying the predetermined standards. And durability, of course, this is the dimension we can measure of product's useful life. And serviceability, it is the time consumed in a servicing, courtesy, competence and ease of repair or reconditioning of your products. Then what about aesthetics? It is just like how the product looks like and a human response to product, how it looks, and what about the feel and sounds, taste or smells that appeals to senses that we can consider as aesthetics. Similarly, we have another one more important dimension, that is perceived quality. This is nothing but like impressions formed about the product's quality from tangible and intangible features of the product, brand image or goodwill and the reputation of the organization. Dear students, let us see the meaning of quality control in construction industry. Quality control is a process of quality management, and this we can achieve by the stage-wise as an inspection covering the complete process and applied at various stages of operations to minimize the number of non-conformities. Of course, the primary function of this quality control is to establish standard of quality for construction. Remember, dear students, this quality control plan is the base for execution of quality work. It means it outlines the planned quality control procedures and it's too vital to the construction quality control or quality assurance program. And this quality control plan must be comprehensive, detailed and logical for the construction quality control system is to be effective. The contractor's plan defines procedures to manage and control their own activities, subcontractor activities and suppliers activities, ensuring the completed project conforms to the contract document. And this quality control plan can be detailed as role of inspector should mention, And what about construction management and specific duties and the project environment?